I wish I was taller.
I would drop and look down a little bit.
Two cops in Indiana noticed a small meowing sound coming from underneath the hood of a parked patrol vehicle. A real catastrophe was averted when they were able to rescue the kitten that climbed into the engine compartment of the car.
Hey everybody, meet Dodge. She was just found behind the Dodge emblem on my car.
Police say that Dodge has been reunited with her mother, and everyone is happy and healthy. Here's what else happened this week in animal news. This fuzzy baby is surprisingly not a teddy bear. This is an infant muskox, a protected animal species. The 20-pound baby was born at the Point Defiance Zoo and Aquarium in Tacoma, Washington. Although she's already large for a baby, she's going to get way bigger. Musk oxen can weigh up to 900 pounds fully grown, but until she's big enough to care for herself, she's being closely monitored by the zoo's veterinarians. Have you ever seen a skunk do this? A trail cam in Saguaro National Park, Arizona, captured the moment a skunk started to dance in a handstand. Although this may seem bizarre, spotted skunks will often do this handstand dance as a warning to predators. If a predator doesn't back down after a display like this, what follows is very stinky. Hundreds of people flocked to Cedar Creek State Park in Ohio to birdwatch a pair of flamingos. Usually found in areas closer to the equator, a Midwest flamingo sighting is incredibly rare. The pair likely traveled further north because Hurricane Idalia blew through tropical regions earlier this month.
We got a new caddy.
A South African golfer had a tense moment when he was joined by an unexpected visitor. A hyena was stalking golfers in Kruger National Park. Despite the potential danger, the golfer kept his cool and finished his round. The San Antonio Zoo celebrated the birth of a rare and endangered okapi calf, also known as a zebra giraffe. According to National Geographic, okapi are so rare these days that it is unclear how many remain in the wild. This newborn has generated a lot of excitement amongst the zoo's staff, highlighting the San Antonio Zoo's commitment to conservation and wildlife preservation. For now, the baby okapi will remain behind the scenes with mom. The zoo will announce his debut when the time comes for the young okapi to begin exploring his habitat. That's all in animal news for this week. Enjoy this video the Oregon Zoo shared of their 3 guinea pigs, Trisket, Ritz, and Graham, enjoying a fresh carrot harvest.